The 580W Cordless Stick Vacuum's powerful brushless motor provides a remarkable suction power of 48,000 Pascal, making it highly effective for cleaning dust, crumbs, and pet hair from various surfaces like carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles. With a robust rechargeable battery pack offering up to 65 minutes of runtime, this vacuum allows you to clean large households in one go without frequent recharging. The innovative V-shaped spiral brush efficiently tackles hair tangles, eliminating stubborn hair clumps and fine hairs from carpets and floor crevices. This vacuum's self-standing design allows it to stand on its own, which is convenient for quick pauses during cleaning without worrying about it toppling over. The smart LED touchscreen on the device provides an intuitive way to adjust suction power and check battery life, dust cup fullness, and filter maintenance, enhancing the overall cleaning experience. Made by JELLYPIG, the Model X100 combines advanced technology and practical design, making it a reliable choice for home cleaning.